Hello people of the internet, it is me, Harley, back at it again with another video. So today we are joined by my lovely cat, Mr. Bigglesworth. I love him so much. He's the best cat. You want to be a parrot? You can be a parrot. But yeah, named after awesome horse. Just gonna let you out here. Oh, no. Okay, so today we are going to be doing a dripping like eye and mouth look. Maybe some other things too. I don't know. One second, I'm just going to get prepared. 1 second. Alright, now that you've got everything ready, you're going to take one of your eyeliners that you usually use for your eyeliner. Usually you would use an eyebrow marker, but not in this case. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to outline. I'm going to make this kind of cartoonish, so don't hurt yourself in the process. So there will be the baseline kind of. I'll do that to the other eye, now I'll come back. Yeah, that was really, really simple. Oh wait, I forgot a little line. It's gonna annoy me the rest of the video. So now what I want to do is I just want to like yeah, you'll see what I'm doing after. It'll make sense, don't worry. So I'm going for like a sad look. Those aren't needed. So why you're going to do that is because I'm going to make it very harsh. 2 colors, maybe 3. Black, white, and gray, I think. So now, do not put white in here or like in here, okay? Okay, I'll be right back. When I come back, I'll cover my entire face in white face paint. Okay. So just a progress update, just still in the middle of painting my face. This is what it looks like so far. So I'll get back to you when it's fully finished. So now that I've finished painting my face a solid color, you're going to rinse off your brush or grab a different brush. I just use the same brush because, you know, it's easier for me. And now you're just going to paint these parts black. I'll be back. 1 sec. Well, oops. So as I was painting my face, I'm like, yeah, eyebrow. Forgot to record that, but sorry. I haven't done my other eyebrows. That's fine. I can just. Whoop! There you go. Eyebrows. You may ask, why do you have them kind of in a worrying position? Because I can. Ow. No, don't do that unless you want to hurt your back. Good advice. So that was a weird way to come back. It kind of looks like child just got into a paint set. Kind of is what's going on here. But yeah. So after you've created this monstrosity, wash off your brush. Or in my case, just, you know. This is really scary for me. Because I'm just a stupid child. Hey yo, looks like I'm all swim. Just kind of add some highlights, because You want that highlight to be blinding, darling. If it's not, then who even am I? Sorry, this is kind of awkward silence, but like, what else do I say? Like, oh, you're just gonna add some white here, some white here, some white here. Just enjoy my beautiful face while I'm doing this. I'm joking. Seriously, don't take things so literally. Oh God. I'm just a big child, aren't I? That's what I am, aren't I? A child. I should stop before it gets any worse. So yeah, after you do that, just like touch things up. Maybe give your lips a part. Kind of looking like a mime here. That was kind of the inspiration here. What am I doing? It's like 10 o'clock at night. It's way past my bedtime. I'm joking. Lots of jokes today, aren't we? Aren't we? I'm sorry. English is hard for me, apparently. How do I do better in French? I don't know. I don't even speak the language. Honey, the child got into the paint set again. That's what my parents would have said if they walked in. Are you even watching? Probably not. If you are, I want to send you a medal through the mail, because that is impressive. Sitting through this mess is impressive. How do I do it every day? People ask me. The answer is, I don't know. Yes, apparently I'm very sad in this. I'm moving because I'm disappointed in myself. Nothing a little makeup can't fix. So this, not sponsored. I'm just trying to show you the case because it's my favorite color. Don't come after me. It is my favorite color. Hollow is my favorite color. See, James says M&M's is his favorite candy bar. Did anybody come after him? No. Don't come after me. Just gonna highlight. Highlight, highlight, highlight. Because nothing a good mime. Sorry, this hollow is blinding. You don't want any sponsor me though. We love. Probably can't get a sponsorship if nobody's watching. I know. I'm sorry. Just grab some gray. Don't worry, it will all be over soon. What's the time? Oh, we're almost done. Don't worry. Not much longer. Just trying to get that 10 minutes. I'm joking. I just take a long time. That's what my family said. I just take a lot of work, a lot of time. You know how bad I just want to like fill in that eyebrow? Like so bad. Oh, no one will know, honey. Honey, no one will know. Also, can you please go show Izzy some love, the other woman on her channel? She should deserve as much support as we can, or she should, because what I've done, and she's been so good about it. So what I've done recently is deleted our videos by accident. Now don't get on, don't get on me, cause like it was my fault. And what happened was, I like to keep things tidy, so I was clearing out some things, and all of a sudden I saw our videos. I'm like, yeah, I'll just clear that from search history. And instead of saying clear from search history, it said delete. I'm like, oh, YouTube must have had an update. So I just pressed delete, and then realized after the fact that I actually deleted the videos. So go show her some support. She handled it really, really well. My case, I'm not as calm as her. I feel like I'm a lot more over the place. But yeah, if you want me to calm down, please comment. I love reading comments. We both love reading comments. But yeah, now I'm just adding unnecessary gray. To make myself feel better about my life decisions. You may be wondering, what can you already be regretting at your age? A lot. A lot. That's all I can say. It's very patchy. Patchy patch, I'm coming for your wig. Sweetheart, I'm coming for your wig. Now I'm gonna add some wrinkles. Because like, who doesn't love a good wrinkle here and there? Alright, I think that's everything. There you go. How to look as stupid as I do right now in real life. Okay, well, that's it. I guess I'll show you the look. 1 second, let me just figure this out.